Many 2025 Toyota 4Runner owners experience infotainment system problems, ranging from minor glitches to complete system failures. These issues are more common than you might think. The most frequent problems include Bluetooth connectivity issues with iPhones, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connection errors, and screens that freeze or become completely unresponsive to touch. Before taking your vehicle to the dealer or attempting more drastic measures, try a simple soft reset first. This basic troubleshooting step can resolve most minor software bugs. Here's the step-by-step soft reset procedure. This process can be performed safely while driving and takes less than a minute to complete. First, locate the power button on your infotainment display. On most 4Runner models, this is clearly marked with a power symbol. Press and hold this power button firmly. On some models, you may need to use the volume button instead if the power button doesn't respond. Keep holding the button until the screen goes completely black. This usually takes between 5 to 10 seconds of continuous pressure. Once the screen is blank, release the button and wait. The system will automatically restart and display the Toyota logo, indicating the reset was successful. If you're still experiencing connection issues with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, the problem might be with your USB connection. When using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto via USB cable, connection problems are often caused by faulty cables or loose connections rather than software issues. Always use the original cable that came with your phone or a high-quality replacement. Check both ends of the connection and make sure they're firmly seated in the ports. These simple troubleshooting steps resolve most infotainment issues in Toyota 4Runners. Try the soft reset first, then check your USB connections. If problems persist, a factory reset may be necessary. When a soft reset doesn't resolve your 4Runner's infotainment issues, a factory reset may be necessary. This is a more comprehensive solution that completely restores the system to its original state. Important warning, a factory reset will erase all your personal data. This includes radio presets, navigation destinations, paired phones, and any customized settings. Make note of important settings before proceeding. The factory reset process varies by model year and infotainment system version. Always consult your owner's manual for specific steps. Here's what the process typically looks like on Toyota Entune systems. After the factory reset completes, you'll need to reconfigure all your settings. If problems persist even after a factory reset, this indicates a more serious hardware or software issue that requires professional diagnosis. If issues continue after a factory reset, it's time to seek professional help. This could indicate hardware problems, corrupted firmware, or the need for a software update from Toyota. Don't attempt further troubleshooting on your own. Note for 2025 4Runner owners. Some have reported additional electrical system problems beyond the infotainment system, including issues with driver seat memory, steering wheel settings, and power liftgate functionality. These may require separate diagnosis.